The overall goal of this procedure is to acquire electron impact ionization mass spectra of volatile inorganic compounds susceptible to oxidation or hydrolysis. This is accomplished by first transferring the sample into a custom-made lockable test tube with flange under inert conditions using a Schlenk line. The second step is to attach the cold inlet system to the mass spectrometer and fix the locked test tube filled with sample to this inlet system. Next, the cold inlet system is evacuated and the connection to the ion source of the mass spectrometer is opened. In the final step, the sample is carefully leaked into the mass spectrometer by opening the needle valve of the cold inlet system, and a mass spectrum is recorded. Ultimately, mass spectrometry is used to determine the molecular ion of a substance and to confirm its structure using the fragment ions.
The main advantage of this technique versus the existing methods such as easy and multi under inert conditions, cold spray and lifty, is that you can analyze very volatile and sensitive compounds by mass spectrometry. Demonstrating the sample preparation procedure will be Markus Wiesemann, a graduate student from the Inorganic Chemistry department of Professor Hoge.
First, evacuate a lockable test tube previously attached to a multiple manifold Schlenk line and remove residual water by heating with a heat gun. Once the test tube has cooled, vent it with dry argon. Then evacuate again while heating. After evacuating the test tube, immerse it into a cold trap filled with liquid nitrogen. Condense a small